After watching for the last few months what generative AI can do, I am a very firm supporter of the fact that all the governments, companies, especially the large ones like AWS, and people need to come together and agree on the agenda as how to do the responsible AI. I'm very glad to share that AWS has now joined various other companies as stakeholders to do the continued collaboration in terms of secure and responsible use of AI. As one of the most transformational innovations of our time, generative AI continues to capture the world's imagination, and we remain as committed as ever to harnessing it. But are we responsible in the usage of AI? This is yet to be seen. AWS has not really released or announced any large language model or any groundbreaking tool as of yet. Yes, they are working on few things, but they haven't really been at the forefront like Facebook, Meta, or OpenAI and others. But they are a major player. We all know that they are the cloud leader, and most of this generative AI will be happening in the cloud. So their commitment to foster the safe, responsible, and effective development of AI technology is very important. I hope that AWS will be eager to share knowledge with policymaker, academics, civil society, and they will recognize the unique challenges posed by Gen AI, and they will be collaborating with the other stakeholders, especially with the Meta, who also deal in Azure. I will be very much heartened to see if AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud would come together and lead this responsible usage of AI. I hope that AWS would also, and I'm pretty sure about that too, by the way, that AWS will be consistent in their approach for responsible AI in their own upcoming generative AI services like Amazon Bedrock, their Titans model, and whatever they release in the near or long term. So I just wanted to share this news, and I will drop the link of this page where AWS has announced their commitment with various other stakeholders. I hope that you liked it. If you have any feedback in terms of the responsible AI usage, please share them in the comment section. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.